Food manufacturers and retailers will need to mobilize to address environmental, social, and governance imperatives, or ESGs, to meet growing pressure from civil society and emerging government regulation. What consumers care about is changing. Many of us do not want to be inadvertently buying into systems of human exploitation and environmental destruction. In short, the provenance of purchases matter. ESG is therefore becoming a strategic imperative. However, a Wall Street Journal survey on ESG metrics reported that only one food business out of 5,500 public companies scored in the top 100. The problem is that until now there has been no standardized approach or common reporting method, making it confusing to find a solution that provides trust. That's why LGC Assure and EcoDesk have come together to bridge the gap with ESG LEAD, a tool using robust and tested technology that can be quickly and easily deployed to enable the measurement of ESG impact across your entire supply chain. Here's how it works. Learn. Upload your data to understand your performance against best practice. Evaluate. Benchmark your performance and compare yourself with peers. Advance. Generate action plans to determine how you can improve. Disclose. Share data with customers to demonstrate your performance. Companies' reported results will need to be based on trustworthy, verified data that reflects the end-to-end supply chain. It is incumbent on all businesses to continually improve their ESG impact if we are to achieve net 1.5 degrees Celsius. Those that respond proactively to the challenge will not only maintain their social license to operate and be well placed to adapt to the evolving legal landscape, but will also be able to profit from the commercial benefits. Start your journey today. LGC Assure, intelligent assurance for you and your supply networks.